Good morning, friends. ஸோ இன்றைக்கி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா லாஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் கண்டினியூஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதாவது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பிஜிடிஆர்பியில் யூனிட் 2 ப்ராபர்ட்டி அண்ட் தியரி ஆஃப் எரரில் நேற்று பார்த்த வீடியோவோட கண்டினியூஷன் தான் இன்றைக்கி ஸ்டடி மெட்டீரியல் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ இன்றைக்கி இந்த ஸ்டடி மெட்டீரியல் பார்த்தாச்சிங்கன்னா பிஜிடிஆர்பிக்கான 2 யூனிட் நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் டாபிக்ஸ் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அதே மாதிரி ஸ்டடி மெட்டீரியலும் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். ஸோ வாங்க நண்பர்களே, இன்றைக்கி நேற்று வீடியோட கண்டினியூஷன் பார்ட் பார்க்கலாம். So then binomial law of probability or binomial distribution function. So there is a 3 point in binomial distribution is most important. The number of trial is finite. The trials are independent of each other. The probability of succession is constant for each trial. So then 3 distribution function sometimes they are asked in those point. In cases then Poisson distribution function, the number of trial is indefinitely large, that should be n tends to infinite indefinitely. So that is the most important cases in all 3 distribution function. So this is the formula for binomial distribution function. To solve the problem, a random variable x is said to be binomial distribution of the probability, then the mass function can be written like this. So by using this formula only, we have to solve the problem like binomial distribution. So if q is equal to 1 minus p, that is the most important things while solving the problem related to the binomial distribution. So here the constant n and p are called the two independent constant, which is known as a parameter of distribution. So what are all the constants of binomial distribution? So these are the most important things in all the distribution function like binomial, then Poisson and Gaussian distribution. In binomial, then mean is equal to np. So already we told that what is meant by n and p. N and p are the two independent constant, are also known as parameter of the distribution. Then variance npq, then standard deviation root npq. So in problem மீன் இல்லை வேரியன்ஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க, இல்லை வேரியன்ஸ் இல்லை ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டிவியேஷன் கொடுப்பாங்க. அப்போ மீன் வேரியன்ஸ் கேட்டாங்கன்னா மீன் பை வேரியன்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு தென் என்பி பை என்பிக்யூ. ஸோ இன் போத் நியூமரேட்டர் அண்ட் டினாமினேட்டர் என்பி is equal to cancelனா then 1 by q. We have to find out q value. Then after that we have to find out the q value. We have to apply the q value in equation 1 or 2, either mean and variance. We find out the p. So after that we have to get two values p and q. So after that we have to apply in this equation. So in this equation here we know p, q, then n, x. So after solving n and p, all the solutions are substitute in this equation. Then we have to get the answer, corresponding answer. So in this way we have to solve the problem like all the distribution functions. So then clearly then each of the probability is non-negative means and sum of the all probability is 1. So how to write the notation of binomial distribution? Then x approximately, then b represent binomial distribution, then n and p are called two independent constant, are also known as parameter distribution, denotes that the random variable. So then Poisson law. So those cases also 3 point followed by the binomial distribution. In binomial distribution the number of trials, so in this case the number of trial is indefinitely large. So n tends to infinity. Then here p, the constant probability of succession for each trial is indefinitely small. Then p tends to 0 in these cases. So then both 2 points are most important. Here np is equal to lambda, that is called infinite. So this is the formula for a probability function of Poisson distribution. So then Poisson distribution is our discrete probability distribution. The variable x can take only the integral values. So x is known as parameter of distribution. In previous cases, binomial distribution, n and p are called a parameter of distribution. Here lambda is known as parameter of distribution. Then total probability is 1. So what are the constants of Poisson distribution? Then mean, variance, standard deviation. Lambda, lambda, then root lambda. If you take a means equal to 0 means then standard deviation is equal to sigma. So then நம்ம ப்ராப்ளம் போடும்போது அதை பற்றி நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ்ஸாக we have to elaborately discuss. So how to calculate mean, variance, standard deviation of the given questions, the problems. So next, continuous distribution, random probability distribution or Gaussian distribution. So a continuous random variable x is said to follow the normal distribution with mean and standard deviation. So the probability density function can be like this. So this is the most important thing. Then z is equal to x minus mu by sigma. So in this cases, mean, variance and standard deviation can be written like this. So if mean mu is equal to 0, the normal distribution standard deviation sigma is equal to 1 when mean is equal to 0. Some of the properties we go through it. If it is symmetric about the line, then x equal to mu, then mean mode meridian is equal to mu. So these are all the most important point. So if you go through, so this is the most important. Normal distribution is a limiting form of the binomial distribution. If n, the number of trials is indefinitely large, n tends to infinity. The normal distribution is limiting form of the binomial distribution. That should be a 2 point. Neither p nor q is very small. If normal distribution also limiting form of the Poisson distribution means then parameter lambda tends to infinity. So then theory of errors also most important. That must be added to the true value in order to obtain the measured value. So then true value plus error is equal to measured value, then measured value plus correlation is equal to true value, then various type of error, then gross error, then systematic error, then random error. Then principle of least square, how to line of best fit, there should be two fitting, one is straight and parabola. So நம்ம problem discuss பண்ணும்போது we have to discuss elaborately from principle of least square. So upcoming videos, for most important question we have to discuss about the two units, unit 1 and 2, and we move on to the classical mechanics. So next video meet பண்ணலாம் நண்பர்களே. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.